This is day 7 of improving my articulation by using a pencil. Mm, to speak with precision is to map the chaotic contours of the mind into the crisp canvas of reality. Every syllable we shape requires deliberate intent, a subtle dance of breath, teeth, and tongue. We must reject the sluggish slur of swallowed sounds and instead embrace the sharp, resonant strike of consonants. Let the plosives up with purpose and allow the vowels to flow, rich and unhurried. True articulation is not merely about velocity, it is about the elegant architecture of expression. When we articulate cleanly, our thoughts transcend the barriers of noise, projecting confidence and clarity. Practice demands